guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal, How to with Sharissa. Yes, I am back. And what better way than with this simple and easy stuffed jalapeños recipe. Jalapeños rellenos, los favoritos de todos en casa, and I am sure you guys will love them too. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. Para esta receta vas a necesitar los siguientes ingredientes: 2 dozens of jalapeno, 2 docenas de jalapeño, 2 packages of cream cheese, 2 paquetes de queso crema, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, una taza de queso cheddar rallado, 1 cup of Monterey o Colby Jack cheese, una taza de queso Monterey o Colby Jack rallado, half a cup of mozzarella cheese diced or shredded, media taza de queso mozzarella cortado en cuadritos o rallado, 8 slices of bacon cooked and crumbled, 8 tiritas de bacon cortados en pedacitos, 1/4 of salt, 1/4 de sal o adobo, and lastly, 1/4 of garlic powder. Y por último, 1/4 de ajo en polvo. We are now going to cut each jalapeno in half lengthwise and clean them, removing all the seeds. Ahora vamos a cortar los jalapeños a lo largo y limpiarlos sacándole todas las semillas. We're now going to fill a large bowl with hot water and place our jalapenos for about 15 minutes while we prepare our filling. This process helps to clean and soften the jalapenos a little before baking to speed up the cooking time. Ahora llenamos un envase de agua caliente para poner nuestros jalapeños, como por 15 minutos o hasta que el relleno que estaremos haciendo esté listo. Esto ayudará para que se vayan ablandando un poco y nos ayudará a avanzar el proceso al cocinarlos. Let's get ready to make our filling. Vamos a preparar nuestro relleno. In a separate bowl, we are going to combine the cream cheese, the mozzarella cheese, the bacon, and the seasoning. En otro envase vamos a combinar algunos de los ingredientes. Empezamos con el queso crema, el queso mozzarella, el bacon y los sazones. Mix well and start filling the jalapenos with the filling we've created. Finally, we're topping them with the remaining of our shredded cheeses. Vamos a mezclar bien y a comenzar a rellenar nuestros jalapeños. Luego lo terminaremos poniéndole el restante de nuestros quesos rallados por encima. Placing them in a baking dish on cover for about 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Poniéndolos en un envase de hornear sin tapar por 15 o 20 minutos a temperaturas de 375 grados. As you can see, they are now done. So delicious and absolutely easy and simple to recreate. I hope you have enjoyed. And as this video comes to an end, I would like to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching. Adios!